Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Andrew with thehustlemastery.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $5 in free Cash App money. So if you're new today, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button to share this with all your friends. So we're just going to jump right into it, into my invitation bonus, $5 from inviting this guy named Colby. As you can see, the date is right there, December 6th, 2020 at 8:03 p.m. So that is this year of 2020 that I got that bonus from Cash App, you guys. So I bet you're like, oh, how am I going to get that $5 bonus? Well, there's only really two methods on how to do it. The first one is basically just inviting your friends and family, posting on social media. And the second one is basically sending $1 to each other back and forth. If you guys want to do that with me, make sure you hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, or even YouTube. Leave a comment below and then we can chat it up. All you got to do is just send $1 to each other back and forth, and then you'll get that $5 invitation bonus. As you can see, I'm legit. All my proof, earnings, everything is there. So if you guys want more videos just like the one you're watching right now, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, comment below any questions that you may have or any ideas on how to make money online through your smartphone or online. So make sure you visit my website, thehustlemastery.com, for more information. And I wish all you guys a happy new year coming in 2021. Be safe out there, stay clean, and God bless you all.